Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings, then scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Now Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards and Settings. Over here, go into Theme and tap on the plus sign under My Themes. Now you can select a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click Next. Adjust brightness and tap Done. Lastly, click on the switcher next to keyboards to enable or disable them and click Apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!